Now this is definitely a case of when too many aloes is barely enough. So I'm standing on the Greenway Terrace at the Royal Botanic Garden Sydney, and I've come to see a large bank, a mass planting of different aloe cultivars. So aloe is a genus of plant that comes from Africa, Madagascar and the Arabian Peninsula. There are more than 500 species, but they also hybridize together fairly easily. So we've got a range of hybrids bred in South Africa. This one's called Beaver, but we have hundreds of them planted here on the terrace in full sun. They're really drought tolerant plants, and in winter time they bring a splash of red and orange and yellow to the garden. So they have tubular flowers held on spikes, usually well above the foliage. And the foliage, of course, is succulent. So these are a succulent. They store lots of water in their leaves, and those leaves are fairly well armed with spiny hooks along the leaf margins. The flowers, though, are in this bright red and orange spectrum. So that really attracts birds to the garden. So where they come from in Africa, they often attract sunbirds as pollinators. Here in Sydney, a range of different bird species are attracted to the plant, as are bees, and there's a mass of bees buzzing in the background here today. So this is Aloe Beaver, one of many aloe cultivars developed from over 500 species of this plant from Africa.